Hello, fellow Wickies. My daughter is shady. Let me tell you what my daughter did. I said, Jay, please, you said you want to do something, we wanted to do something different with our hair video, right? So I said, Jay, why don't you do a braid out? Or you came up with the idea, she came up with the idea of a braid out. And I said, well, let's just do it on camera so people can see how a braid out is done, right? She said, yeah, sure. So I don't know what happened. They drugged my food, something. But I was out this afternoon, I was so asleep. So I wake up and here this fool, her hair is already braided. I'm like, dude, you were supposed to wait for me so we could do a video and then it was gonna be great so people could see what a braid out looks like. And she was like, well, you were asleep. And I came in there and I stood in your room for a whole minute and said, hi, and you said hi back. I'm like, you can't trust a person who's asleep. Any conversation you have with a person who's asleep, you know they're asleep. So Jay, this is our video. Can you tell them what you did with your hair? Don't do that. She's so evil. Come show, because look at her hair. Look at her hair. Isn't it gorgeous? She braided. How many braids did you braid it in?
It's 8 on each side.
Okay, so total of 16 braids. Did you use any product to braid it up?
Yes.
What products did you use, Jay?
Water.
Water, okay.
And Murray's Curl Enhancer cream.
Murray's Curl Enhancer, that's in the yellow jar, right? It's yellow?
Yeah.
Okay, and black, you know, it's old school. Okay. And then you did it while your hair was slightly damp, or was it wet, or what? Or did you wash your hair? What did you do?
I just wet it, detangled it as it was, and then, yeah.
Okay.
It was slightly damp because I had to put on clothes or whatever. And my hair dries really quick.
Okay, yeah, because she's high porosity?
No.
Low porosity, sorry. I get that confused all the time. Okay. Her hair takes a long time to dry usually. No, short time to dry. I'm the one that takes a long time to dry. Okay, so step 1, you wet your hair, you moisten your hair. Step 2 is detangle. Step 3 is you apply the products to each braid. As you did each one, you apply product to each braid. So that's important. Just don't gloop it all on your hair. For each braid, you apply product as you go. That will make your twist out or your braid out last longer. And then she braided in 8 braids on either side. And for those of you who don't know how to braid, I'm so sorry we can't help you for this video, but we'll show you how to braid maybe next time. And how long you gonna leave those braids in, Jay?
A few days maybe.
Okay. And then you're going to take them out. Now the key in the braid out is the takedown, okay? So you can't just take them down. You gotta gently take them down. And you don't comb it or anything. So we'll come back with the takedown. Hello, Wookiees. Welcome back to our channel.
So,
So, are you gonna do your thing?
no, I'm not gonna do it.
Okay, so it's been since Saturday. We're going to undo JL's hair and her braid out. Okay, let's see if we could get a little closer with the camera. We'll put it right here. You can see what we're doing. So I kind of just take my thumb and put it in the middle of the braid and just work it through. So this is the first group of curls right here. We'll do the second group. You see how the curls look? Well defined, well defined, okay? So that's how we leave them. We're just gonna, you know, do a little, and you leave it like that for the first day or two. And then if you want to start to pick it out because the curls start to get a little older, at that point, then you can, you know, separate the curls more, give it a little bit more volume. But it's important for your frizz factor that you do not handle the curls a whole lot. You just take them, you just gently loosen them like we're loosening them here. Okay. Don't do like JL, she's just doing that. Just unravel them very gently. If you guys haven't learned yet or known yet that dealing with natural hair, locked and otherwise, takes patience that you may not have to use when you have permed hair or a protective style, because you just have to be gentle and be careful and be patient if we want the style to turn out the right way. Don't do that, just, okay. So we'll come back in a minute to show the final product. Okay guys, this is our final look. Wish the dogs would stop barking. Okay, come show, get closer, Jay. Okay. We decided to pull it back, and then as the days go on, it'll loosen up and we could start separating the curls. But for right now, she's doing good. Okay? All right. That's until next time.
Keep going. Keep going.